Have you ever seen the error message, "Decoding capacity exceeded," while trying to play back your recorded CCTV footage? You're not alone. This message can be frustrating, especially when you need to review important video clips. But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you exactly what it means, and more importantly, how to fix it. So, what does decoding capacity exceeded really mean? Your DVR or XVR device has a limited ability to process and display multiple high-resolution video streams at the same time. When you try to play back too many channels at once, or if the videos were recorded in high resolution, like 4 megapixels, 5 megabits, or even 4K, your system gets overloaded. As a result, it can't handle decoding all those streams at the same time. And that's when this error appears. It's like trying to run too many apps on a phone with low RAM. The system just can't keep up. Now, let's fix it. Step 1. Open the main menu on your DVR or XVR device. Use your remote or a connected mouse to navigate. Step 2. Go to the encoding settings. This is where you manage the video quality and stream options for each camera channel. Step 3. Look for an option called Substream. This is a secondary video stream designed specifically for remote viewing and playback with lower quality. Step 4. Lower the substream resolution. Instead of high-quality formats, choose CIF, D1, or 720p. These options use much less processing power and still give you clear enough video to see what's happening. Step 5. During playback, make sure you are using the substream. Most devices will allow you to switch between main and substream when reviewing footage. Always choose substream if you're having trouble with decoding capacity. Still having issues? Try these extra tips. Play back only 1 or 2 channels at a time instead of 4, 8, or more. Reduce the number of frames per second, FPS, in your settings. 15 FPS is often enough. Keep your DVR firmware up to date for better performance. If your hard drive is old or damaged, replacing it may also improve playback performance. That's it. By switching to CIF, D1, or 720p and using the substream, you can easily avoid the decoding capacity exceeded error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on security systems and video playback solutions.